Here are 3 habits of highly vibrational people that make them so successful. Habit number 1. They have high self-awareness. When life gets tough, it's easy to get stuck in emotional ruts, like fear or anger. Think of these emotions as static that interferes with our desired frequency. If you've been let down or hurt, it's natural to guard yourself by staying in a defensive emotional state. But here's the kicker. Staying stuck in these low-vibe emotions doesn't protect you. It limits you. High vibrational people understand this. They don't just ride along the waves of their feelings. They become masters of their own internal ocean. These are individuals who can pause, take a step back, and look at their emotional landscape. They're self-aware. They recognize when they've drifted into negative territory, and they know how to get back to a clear channel. So how do they do it? First, they let go of the heavy baggage. Emotions like guilt, shame, or anger weigh us down. They keep us locked in a lower frequency, unable to ascend to heights where joy, love, and peace reside. High vibrational people practice releasing these emotions. They don't just sweep them under the rug. They acknowledge them, process them, and then actively let them go. In doing so, they reach a state of emotional neutrality, a balanced space where they're neither overly excited nor submerged in negativity. This state is crucial because it allows them to detach from circumstances beyond their control. Being neutral doesn't mean being indifferent. It means understanding that we can't control everything around us, but we can control how we respond. To reach and maintain this neutral frequency, high vibrational people employ various reflective practices. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, or mindful awareness, they take time to tune into their inner world. They become vigilant observers of their own thoughts and emotions, making adjustments as needed. When you can observe without reacting, you gain the power to transform your life. You begin to see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. These individuals don't just do this once or twice. It's a daily, if not hourly, commitment. Understand that your inner frequency shapes your outer reality. Take time daily to examine yourself, release what doesn't serve you, and actively choose emotions that elevate you. And remember, the power to live a high vibrational life is already within you. All you have to do is tap into it. Habit number 2. They have strong why. When you have a strong why, challenges transform into stepping stones, obstacles become lessons, and life unfolds as a series of opportunities rather than hurdles. Why? Because when your why is compelling, you can conquer almost any how. High vibrational people are crystal clear about their life's purpose. This clarity not only elevates their own life experience, but also acts like a magnet that attracts abundance and opportunities towards them. But how do they do this? How do they find this elusive why? It starts with self-inquiry and introspection. They dig deep within their hearts to understand what genuinely moves them. Unlike those who operate from a place of ego, seeking validation, fame, or material gain, high vibrational people anchor themselves in a why that is bigger than themselves. Their purpose is often centered around adding value to the world, enriching lives, and making a meaningful impact. When your purpose stems from a place of love and giving, it fills your life with an incredible sense of abundance. This is the kind of abundance that goes beyond material wealth. It's an abundance of joy, peace, love, and fulfillment. What's more, this abundance has a ripple effect. With their cups overflowing, high vibrational people can effortlessly give to others. It's not a transaction, but a genuine act of love. Imagine being so filled with purpose and love that your natural state becomes one of giving. You not only raise your own vibration, but also elevate those around you. In a world where many are consumed by what they lack, be it love, joy, or peace, imagine being the person who brings these very qualities into the lives of others. This is what it means to operate from a place of high vibration. Moreover, living a purpose-driven life allows you to transcend ego-based limitations. Ego often traps us in a cycle of comparison, jealousy, and endless striving for more. High vibrational people have learned to put their ego in the back seat. It's not that they eliminate ego, they simply don't let it drive their actions. Instead, they let their heart take the lead. guided by a vision that uplifts not just them, but everyone they encounter. So how can you make this transformative shift? Start by asking yourself some hard questions. What moves you? What change would you like to see in the world? What fills you with a sense of accomplishment and joy? Let these answers guide your actions. Remember, the most potent form of motivation comes from within. External rewards are simply the icing on the cake. Once you find your why, make it the cornerstone of all your endeavors. Let it inspire your goals, fuel your resilience, and deepen your sense of fulfillment. As you align with this powerful purpose, you'll find that success doesn't just follow you. It rushes towards you, eager to be a part of your abundant, high-vibrational life. Habit number 3, they align with their purpose. For high-vibrational people, waking up isn't a chore but an exhilarating experience. They don't hit the snooze button multiple times because they can't wait to jump out of bed and embrace the day. They're fueled by a purpose that lights up their soul. Why are they so energized? It's because they've mastered the art of alignment. They've connected the dots between self-awareness, a compelling why, and a laser-focused purpose. This trifecta puts them in a flow state, a mental zone where they're so engrossed in what they're doing that time and space seem to vanish. In a flow state, challenges become exhilarating puzzles to solve, and opportunities seem to materialize out of nowhere. Let's take a step back and understand what alignment means in this context. To be aligned is to have all aspects of yourself, your thoughts, your actions, and your emotional state, working in harmony toward a singular goal. When you're aligned, there's no friction, no doubt, just a journey toward your destiny. And the closer you get to this alignment, the higher you climb on the scale of consciousness. You see, high vibrational people don't just dream big, they act big. They're not paralyzed by the fear of the unknown. They're exhilarated by it. For them, the unknown is not a dark forest full of dangers, but a treasure trove of possibilities. They understand that magic doesn't happen in comfort zones. Magic happens when you step out, take risks, and embrace the unfamiliar. Each brave step not only elevates their own lives, but also adds a touch of magic to the world around them. So how can you achieve this magical alignment? It starts by silencing the doubters, both external and internal. Society, and sometimes even close friends and family, may question or belittle your dreams. When you are in alignment, you learn to rise above these doubts. You tune into your inner wisdom and let your heart lead the way. Next, integrate your purpose into every facet of your life. Whether you're at work, at home, or in social situations, let your purpose guide your actions and decisions. When your day-to-day life resonates with your deepest desires and aspirations, that's when you achieve a flow state effortlessly. And remember, flow isn't a rare, once-in-a-lifetime experience. It becomes your natural state of being. I hope these 3 core habits help you in some way. If you're still here, I would greatly appreciate your support by sharing and commenting on your thoughts. Thank you for taking the time. I hope you have an absolutely beautiful day.